Hi everyone, I am Samya from crafts.Christmas. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna share with you some Christmas room decor crafts. So let's get started.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again.
Now for the first DIY, I'm taking a cardstock and rolling it like this and securing it with a clear tape. And I have cutted the bottom of this cardstock. Now I'm taking jute rope and rolling around the cardstock. Here you can use any rope or any paper. Now for the decorating, I have punched some glitter papers like this. Now I'm decorating it with some glitter papers and pearls. And our rope Christmas tree is ready. The second DIY is a snowflake tape. To make this, I'm taking a cardstock and I have drawn a snowflake on it. Now I'm sewing according the snowflake. Like this, I will sew the whole snowflake. And our snowflake tag is ready. Now for the last DIY, you will need some cardboards in same size. Now I'm sticking them together. Now I'm taking a gift wrapping paper and wrapping it by following these steps. You can make such a box and then you can wrap it like this, or you can use it as a decor piece. And it's ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you so, please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below and please subscribe the channel. It means a lot for us. No more today. Thanks for watching.